It is a case that's captivated the country for nearly a week, and we have live team coverage on 7 News.
A 5-day manhunt from New York City to western Pennsylvania, leading to the arrest of a man believed to have killed the UnitedHealthcare CEO. Now, Kayla Gaskin's looking into how people are speaking out on social media, some even defending Luigi Mangione's actions and expressing sympathy.
But our team coverage begins in Baltimore with Mackenzie Frost at our sister station. Mackenzie, you've been digging through court documents and piecing together more information about how Mangione and what his ties are to Baltimore.
Yeah, Victoria and Josh, that's right. Luigi Mangione first now has an attorney, and he's fighting that extradition back to New York City. And his court documents begin to come to light. Investigators say when he was apprehended, they describe on his person written admissions of the crime. New video of Luigi Mangione as he's restrained and yelling, heading inside for his extradition hearing in Pennsylvania. Court documents from New York outline Mangione's additional charges stemming from UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson's death, including second-degree murder. When Mangione was arrested at the McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania Monday, police say he gave them a fake ID from New Jersey, and inside his backpack, a semi-automatic pistol and silencer, both 3D printed. Plus, what police say was, quote, written admissions about the crime.
Of course, this case is going to be an uphill battle for Mr. Mangione.
Baltimore area trial attorney Jeremy Eldridge says Mangione is likely not facing first-degree murder because of who the victim in this crime was.
In order to be charged with first-degree murder, it requires a very specific type of victim. For instance, a police officer, a firefighter, or a witness, but they could always add that charge if they believed that it qualified.
As details emerge about the case, we're learning more information about Luigi Mangione himself, the grandson of Nick and Mary Mangione, the owners of Hayfields Country Club in Baltimore County and Turfs Valley Resort in Ellicott City. Luigi, also the cousin of State Delegate Nino Mangione, who announced Tuesday his fundraiser scheduled for this Thursday at Hayfields is canceled, quote, because of the nature of this terrible situation involving my cousin. Through Delegate Mangione, the family released a statement late Monday evening, declining to comment further, only writing, "Our family is shocked and devastated by Luigi's arrest, and the family is praying for the slain CEO." Luigi went from being valedictorian of the elite private all-boys Gilman School in Baltimore to an Ivy League graduate of the University of Pennsylvania, earning a bachelor's and master's degree in computer science. His LinkedIn profile shows his last job was a data engineer at TrueCar Incorporated. While at UPenn, he founded a gaming research club, and according to Stanford University, Mangione worked as a head counselor in the pre-collegiate students program from May to September 2019. His digital footprint portrays a young man who was active, briefly living in Hawaii, now facing murder and several other charges, teeing up a legal battle that will likely only draw more attention.
The bottom line is the more that comes out about his writings or his musings regarding the federal government and healthcare in the country, the more that comes out about his printing of these firearms, the more difficult it will be for his defense and the easier it will be for the prosecution.
Now, prosecutors have 30 days to obtain a governor's warrant to require the extradition of Mangione back to New York. In the meantime, we're expecting more court dates to be filed as this extradition process plays out, and bail was denied today during that hearing. Live in Baltimore, Mackenzie Frost, 7 News.
All right, Mackenzie, thank you for that. The murder suspect is now going viral online as well.
Kayla Gaskins joins us with more on the public's controversial support for the murder suspect.
Luigi Mangione, a murder suspect and hero to some corners of the internet.
Free my boy Luigi.
Police in Altoona, Pennsylvania, arresting the 26-year-old on Monday for the murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Hashtag Free Luigi, now trending on X, Instagram, Reddit, and TikTok.
Free Luigi!
For some, he's a heartthrob.
This boy is so fine. He is way too cute.
It's my type.
For others, he's a vigilante fighting a broken healthcare system.
Y'all saying murderer, I'm saying freedom fighter.
You have thousands of people who are supporting these kinds of sentiments, and it's really despicable.
Former Washington Post journalist Taylor Lorenz sharing her reaction to Thompson's death with Piers Morgan.
I felt, along with so many other Americans, joy, unfortunately, because it feels like...
Serious?
I mean, the many millions of Americans that have watched people that I care about suffer and in some cases die because of lack of health care.
So should they all be killed then? Should they all be killed, these healthcare executives? Would that make you even more joyful?
No, that would not.
But why not?
And,
why are you laughing?
In Baltimore, near Maglioni's hometown, someone hung a Healthcare for All banner over the highway. Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro making it clear this murder is not something to celebrate.
We do not kill people in cold blood to resolve policy differences. Hear me on this. He is no hero. The real hero in this story is the person who called 911 at McDonald's this morning.
The McDonald's where police arrested Mangione now under attack online. One reviewer writing, this location has rats that will make you sick and your insurance won't cover it. Google took down all the negative reviews for that McDonald's, saying that these reviews violate their policies. In Washington, I'm Kayla Gaskins.